In this video, I'm going to show you how to show followers on your Facebook profile in just a few simple steps. This is a quick setting change, but it can make a big difference if you want more people to follow your updates instead of only sending friend requests. Whether you're trying to grow your presence, make your profile more visible, or just control how people connect with you, this guide will walk you through it clearly from start to finish. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Facebook and make sure you're logged into the account where you want to enable followers. Once you're on Facebook, go to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. This opens the main account menu where all of your settings and privacy options are located. From the menu, click Settings and Privacy. After that, click Settings. This takes you into the main settings page for your Facebook account. Now, on the left side or within the settings menu, depending on your device, click Privacy. This is where Facebook keeps many of the controls related to who can see your content and interact with your profile. Next, look for the option that says, Who can follow me? If you don't see it right away, take a moment to scroll or check the privacy section carefully. This setting controls whether other people can follow your public posts and updates on your profile. Once you find it, change the option to public. This is the key step that allows followers to appear on your Facebook profile. When you set this to public, people who are not your friends can follow you, which means they can see your public posts in their feed. If it's set to anything more restricted, followers may not be available the way you want them to be. After you've set Who can follow me to public, go back to your profile page and check that everything is updated correctly. Depending on your account and Facebook layout, the followers section may now be visible, or your profile will now allow people to follow you more easily. You can also review your other privacy options if you want to fine-tune exactly what followers can see. If you're using Facebook for personal branding, content sharing, or simply want a wider audience, this is a useful setting to keep enabled. And remember, if you ever want to change it back later, you can always return to the same privacy settings and adjust it again. So to recap, click your profile picture, go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings, then Privacy, find Who can follow me, and set it to public. That's it. Your Facebook profile is now set up to show followers. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.